Hey guys, today I'm trying to teach you, I'm gonna teach you how to draw Kuromi, and the reason why I'm drawing Kuromi is, yes, this is the reason why. If you want I'm drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And now guys, let's go! First, we start drawing this line. This line is like a table, I guess. Yes, it's a table. Okay, now it's time to draw another line. That another line is a guy. That guy gonna help us to add the element of the face of Kuromi, Kuromi. Okay, in Espanol is Kuromi. I don't know exactly how it's in English. On English, I guess. Now it's time to draw the face. The face is just a circle, a oval. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Okay. And now, pay attention about that. It's time to draw the Kuromi eyes. In this way, it's so simple. Look, the face like he's angry. He's not a good kitten. I guess Kuromi is a kitten because Kuromi is from Hello Kitty. Okay, let's continue. Here we have Kuromi eyes. I like to draw this little circle, and now it's time to fill all the eyes with the pencil. If you want to add the color, you can quit that step, but I just love it to drawing with pencil. I don't like to use colored pencil. And now it's time to draw this, how can I say that, abrigo? I don't know. Let's continue. And don't forget the nose. The mouth, just a line. And now guys, the ear. The ear Kuromi is like a diamond, but al revés. And that way. And don't forget the little ovals. This looks so cute, I have to say that. Look at this. Oh, the camera. I punched the camera. And don't forget the bone. So cute, I have to say that. Look at this. And now, the arms of Kuromi. Now it's time to add some details. For the details, I'm going to use a 4B pencil or maybe 5B pencil, but if you don't have, doesn't matter, you can use the pencil that you go to the school, the high school, by the way, of just add color. And look this guys, that looks so beauty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. God bless you. Ciao ciao. Bye bye. Adios.